Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair unboxing. It's about summertime, so it's time for that curly, loose wave, deep wave hair textures and all that. So I'm coming at you all with a new deep wave hair unboxing. So this wig is from Kiss Love Hair. I bought it myself with my own money, 100%. This is not sponsored. I'll show you all my little receipt. But this is from Kiss Love Hair on ALIEXPRESS. So this is supposed to be a 13x6 HD lace, 34-inch, 250% density wig. I'm feeling a little heaviness, so that's a good sign. But we are going to open this package together, look at this wig and all that. Before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @MadamBrittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. So, if you all are wondering, the hair I'm wearing right now is my 34-inch 13x4 wig from Awesomely Hair. This is their loose wave texture. I know I told you all like I love loose wave. I've gotten so many compliments on this hair, the hair I'm wearing right now. And I told y'all I don't like my hair too curly, but I'm going to Palm Springs. I'm going on vacation like in a week. So I was like, let me do something curly. I asked my boo, like, should I get my hair curly or straight? He was like, curly. So I was like, And like, I feel like curly hair is like such special event hair, like your birthday, some long, deep wave bundles, thick. Like, I feel like that's like a vacation, your birthday, like I feel like it gives for that. But I've gotten so many compliments with this hair so far. But we're going to go ahead and open this. Once again, it's from Kiss Love Hair on ALIEXPRESS. It wasn't too expensive. It did not take long to come at all. So there was like a little hold up, but it still only took like 5 days, still less than a week. Like always, you all, so I always recommend order on ALIEXPRESS because I've gotten a few questions about this. Order from ALIEXPRESS. I don't care if that vendor has their own website. I trust ALIEXPRESS a little more because you can always dispute an order. ALIEXPRESS cares a little more about their ratings and all that. But before you order, ask, hey, do you all have the 13x6 HD lace, 250% density, 34-inch wig in stock? Ask this every time because sometimes they'll just take your money and then make the wig. You want to know if they already have that wig in stock so you won't be waiting extra time, especially if you have a special event coming up. I have a big head, so all the wigs I really review are big head friendly, but if you want like a smaller, or if you feel like your head is just large, then you can always ask them the circumference of their wigs or ask them to customize one for you. So that would take longer, but you could do that. So, bam, Kiss Love Hair. I ordered recently, I didn't even mention this, I know I'm talking a lot, but I just did a review on their body wave hair. I think I loved it. It was bomb, super thick. It's still under my cabinet, and I do think I'm going back to that next time I want like a straighter wig. But I love that hair. I did a review on that, so check that out. One of you all also told me you all really like their deep wave hair, so this should be bomb. This looks like a lot of hair. Hold on, hold on. This looks really long. So, okay, it comes with a little wig cap, edge brush, and then some lashes. But, okay, this wig does look long. This is 34 inches. It looks longer than this one. This one is supposed to be 34. The one I have on right now, and this is where it falls on me. Bam. But let's see this hair. It's like, I just want like a fresh wig. There's nothing wrong with this wig, but for vacation, I want something fresh. So, okay, the lace is super thin. I can tell you that right now. Like, I think this is some good lace. Okay, this is really, really long. A lot of beautiful curls. I really want this hair to just, nice heaviness to it and all that. So here is the hair. Looks really good. I haven't had a deep wave wig in a while, but it's really, really soft. Y'all, this is like some super soft hair all the way through. The ends are full and all that. They look beautiful. It is like a 1B color. So let's look at this lace a little bit. So the lace is like really thin, and I feel like this lace would be easy to work with. Like you can see how much it like folds and all that. Like I feel like you can just tell by looking at it that the lace is a little more delicate than other ones. Even like you can, it's like I've seen a lot of lace to where I just can look at it and see like, okay, this lace is gonna be easier to work with. But like, there's a delicateness about the lace. I don't think it's like HD, but it still looks really good. Okay, so it's a 13 by 6. You get the 6 inches all the way in the middle, like this. And then you get maybe 1 inch, 2 inches over here, 2 inches over here of lace. Has combs, a comb there, and a comb in the back. I actually want to take you all through the journey of me customizing this wig and installing it, because I didn't do it for this wig. And I haven't done that in a while. I don't do anything special. I don't wear a wig cap, so I usually do take these combs out anyway because I don't want it pulling out my real hair. This is cute. It is super thick. Like, okay. It's like, this hair is like super thick. I'm really excited. It seems long. It seems longer than the hair I have on now. So I think this wig may be a little, okay. This wig is actually more true to length than the wig I'm wearing. Like this hair is actually still wet right now. Like it's damp. I put a lot of gel in it. So this wig is longer. It's more true to length. And I also, just looking at it like this, like it's thicker. But this is loose wave. Asali's deep wave wig was super duper thick when I bought it, which was like probably almost a year ago now. But this wig is super thick. It's the length for me. I'm so happy that it's true to length, because you know how much like wavy hair kind of shrinks and all that. Any kind of curly hair will shrink. I'm happy that this is actually long. It's true to length. I know it's gonna hit my butt even when it's dry like this. And I'm 5'7", if you all saw when I got up. So that's about where it will fall on you if you're about 5'7". This hair, like, I feel like you can see it's really thick. Like, the hair is really, really thick. But these curls are gorgeous. I really like this, okay? We'll see how I feel about it when I, like, get it on. But, like, I don't know. I just didn't feel like I just usually don't feel like myself with curly-ish hair. But I've gotten so many compliments. I'm like, it must be something about this curly, wavy hair. I've always wanted to be on the beach or in water, like by a pool with curly hair, and I've never done that. So I'm excited to actually do that. But y'all, this really is a lot of hair. It's like extremely soft. No kind of weird smell. It smells like hair. This is like the ponytail thickness, if you can see that. It's giving true to length. I have my measuring tape ready this time. So here it is. Let's get it. I'm really excited. So they don't measure from like the bottom track. They measure from like the middle one or something. So I'm gonna measure from like right here. Let's see where the hair falls. Like when I'm not like pulling it down or anything, let's like straighten it. I'm not stretching the hair at all. It's giving 30 inches right there. Like, it's like 29 inches when you're not stretching it at all. Stretched, it does hit 34. Like, so this hair is pretty true to length. I did not measure this hair, so I don't really know if the hair I'm wearing right now was. But this hair definitely seems longer, for sure. I'm really liking it. This is really thick. I hope it gives vacation and gives what I want it to give. But that is it for this video. I'm going to do a few more videos on this hair, like showing you all how I install it, which isn't anything special. Showing you all how I customize it. I've been seeing like new tips on TikTok and stuff, so I want to try some of those. But I'm pretty excited. This hair is really thick. So some of you did tell me you all had like shipping issues with Asali. So this would be a great alternative so far because this is giving that same thickness the Oscillate Deep Wave wig gave me. And I'll also do an updated review after I come back from vacation, because then I would have been in water, I would have like sweated in the wig and all that, so you all can get like a real synopsis on the hair. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Like, this looks like a whole person I'm holding. But I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and have a great day, you all. Bye, guys.